One of the simplest ways to feature a gorgeous manicure in summer is catching up with chunky glitter. The best practice is using at least 2 colors in similar shades to create a more harmonious combo. By turning the holographic mermaid scales, you'll easily find the fine pink shimmer echoes the vintage rose tone and allows you to feel the retro and mysterious atmosphere of the deep sea. Check out my bio and build your own dip kit for your home salon from now on. No fancy skills are needed, just about dipping, activating, and sealing. Let's dive in. It's vital to have a minimum of 2 layers of liquid and powder, especially for the solid color powder. I'll share several beginner-friendly points about getting glitter nails. You need to gently shake the jar on your table to float up your sparkling stuff, as well as flip your finger and dip the powder reversely to pick up them on your nail surface easily. Use your finger pad to press the glitter slightly, and it helps to be more compliant with your nails. A pro hack of flawless nails is using a precision wood stick. It allows you to pick up the glitter you want and put them in your desired position. Always remember to dip the clear powder at the end. It's the essential step to maximize shine and protect for a sparkling nail goal, no matter shimmer or glitter.